In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GA4 to Kajabi to track traffic. By the end, you'll have Google Analytics 4 tracking your Kajabi site so you can see where visitors come from and how they engage with your pages. First, open your Google Analytics account and make sure you're in the correct property for your website. GA4 properties look a little different from the old Universal Analytics, and the ID you'll copy today will look like G followed by a dash and some letters and numbers. If you see something that starts with UA, that's the older version and won't work here. In the bottom left corner of Analytics, click the admin gear icon to open your settings. In the property column, select Data Streams. You'll see a list of streams connected to this property. Click the web data stream that matches your Kajabi domain. This is important if you manage more than one site because each stream has its own unique ID. Inside the stream details, look for the measurement ID at the top right. It should start with GA. Click to copy that ID. This code tells Kajabi exactly which analytics property to send your traffic data to. Now switch over to your Kajabi dashboard. From the left menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, choose Third-Party Integrations. Scroll down until you find the Google Analytics section. Toggle Google Analytics on and you'll see a field to paste your measurement ID. Go ahead and paste the G ID you copied from GA4. Double check for any extra spaces before or after the ID because even a small typo can prevent tracking. When you're done, click Save. That's the full connection done on the Kajabi side. From here, Kajabi will automatically send page view data to your GA4 property using that measurement ID. A couple of quick tips to make the most of this setup. Data in Google Analytics can take a little time to appear, so don't worry if you don't see immediate results. If you want a fast sanity check later, the real-time report in GA4 often shows active users within a few minutes. Also, make sure you're using the correct domain stream if you run multiple sites, since pasting the wrong ID will send data to the wrong place. And if you previously used the old UA tracking, this GA4 connection replaces that, so you don't need both. That's it. You opened Google Analytics, went into Admin, found your data stream, copied the measurement ID, and then in Kajabi, you enabled Google Analytics, pasted the ID, and saved. You're ready to track your Kajabi traffic with GA4.